How to make any sound your alarm on Android. If you want to make any sound or music in your phone as your alarm ringing tone in your phone, this video is for you. In your Android phone, navigate to your clock menu and tap on it. With this selected, make sure to scroll up to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. Then proceed to tap on settings. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. When you scroll down a bit, you could see sound. Continue to tap on sound. And the sound, these are the default sounds and ringtones that I'm currently having on this device. Now for me to use any music that I want, all I have to do is to proceed to the top right corner where I see this plus icon and tap on it. Then with this selected, you'll be redirected to your music gallery where you have a list of musics that you can choose from. In any case, if you want to select any, all you have to do is to continue to tap on this dot, and there you are. Your music has been selected as your alarm ringtone on your Android. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.